In today's quick tip, a problem that many people who are just starting out with Excel have. I have my menu here with the ribbon. And whenever I click outside my ribbon collapses. And if I want to show my ribbon again, I have to click in my menu to show my ribbon. There are two ways to make sure the ribbon always shows. The first one is click somewhere in your menu, click right anywhere in the ribbon, and you'll see in the menu that appears that there's a check mark before collapse the ribbon. Now click this option and that basically unchecks this option. So now the ribbon is always visible. This is one way to solve the problem. The other one is this. Click somewhere in the menu, then click this little down arrow here, and this one says show tabs only with a check mark. Now click this option, always show ribbon. Now the ribbon docks and will always be visible. So this problem was actually an easy one to solve.